Here we are in East, and South bids 2 hearts preemptive, 4 to 9 high card points, and 6 hearts. West doesn't have a bid here. They're going to devalue their queen of hearts, right? We take out all quacks in the auction. And the opponent's bid a suit, you definitely just subtract out your queens and jacks in that suit. They're worth nothing. All right, so West is sitting there with just 8 highs now if you take away the queen of hearts. So they pass, North passes, and East is in the pass out seat versus a preempt. So pretty much all rules are off for East. Would they like to have a 6th spade to bid 2 spades? Yes, but there's no space to do it. Would they like to have a few more points? Sure, but again, they can't let South play 2 hearts when they have less than 3 hearts. So they've got to do something. Doubling is not optimal because partner's probably going to bid a lot of diamonds, and then how do we recover from that? So you're sort of choosing the lesser of 2 evils, right? 2 spades. At least if you play spades, you have a chance of, making your contract. So you choose 2 spades. You never like, by the way, you never like your bid over a preemptive auction. There is never the perfect bid when your opponents preempt. And that's why we want to be very aggressive preemptors, because it's really hard to bid over a preempt, right? So we choose 2 spades, and South passes, and West gives us some hope, okay? Even though West is subtracting out their queen of hearts, they do have 2 bullets, and they have 4 spades with their partner. Getting that partner may only have 5 because of the pressure of the preempt, but they still want to give a boost to 3 spades, and that's enough for East to kick it into 4 spades. But now we have to make it. So we're in 4 spades, and we get the ace of hearts lead. And let me give you the first couple of tricks. North plays the jack of hearts at trick 1. And then South cashes the king of hearts. And we cash, and North plays the 3 of hearts. And East follows. And then South very rudely leads the two of hearts. And West trumps, West plays the queen of hearts, and North trumps with the 9 of spades. Now, South is thinking, I know that North is out of hearts. I know that Declare is out of hearts, but I don't want Declare to get a discard on that queen of hearts. So I'm going to let my partner go ahead and rough it out, right? And when we look at the whole hand, I'll talk about that idea again. That's a good defensive tip there. All right, so I'm going to turn it over to you. It's gone ace of hearts, king of hearts, 3rd round of hearts, queen of hearts, and North is trumped with the 9 of spades. All right, so it's your your plan. What is your issue card? And let's see, you've got 2 losers. You can only afford 1 more loser. What's happening to you? What could go wrong? That's a good question for this hand. What could go wrong? Take a minute or so and think about what could go wrong and what can you do about it.